Hello, so today I'm going to wash the bike. Ideal day for it today. It's a bit overcast. There's a few dead bugs and a bit of road grime on the bike, so it's an ideal day to wash it really. So what I'm going to do, I've got a car shampoo, Garage Therapy 1 car shampoo I'm using. I'm going to use this two ways. I'm going to make a solution up in a bucket, but I've got a solution in a foamer. So the advantage of this is I'll foam this, I'll rinse the bike down, get as much dirt off as I can, loose dirt with a hose. Then I'll put the foam on it. The foam will soak in all the dirt and the bugs and make them easier to remove, and also it'll leave a good level of lubrication on the bike for when I do the contact wash. I'll then rinse it. I've got filtered water, so we'll rinse it with filtered water. And then the product that I'm going to put on the bike to protect it is this Rinse and Protect by GB Detailing. Now this is a typical spray on rinse off sealant that and the beauty of this on a bike is that this sealant, because you spray it on and then you rinse it off with water, the sealant goes everywhere. So all the places that you can't normally easily get to, if you're putting wax on or a sealant on, this gets everywhere. So ideal protection for the bike. And this particular product is dilutable. Normally you get a product like this and then you just spray it straight on and then rinse it off. But with this product, you put this into water, so you dilute 1 litre of water to a minimum of 25 millilitres of product. So that is, I think that's well under £10. So that bottle of 500 ml will last for ages. So we'll do that. We'll clean the bike, we'll wash it, and then we'll put this Rinse and Protect solution on, and then we'll dry it. So let's get stuck in, shall we? So spray it down first, get rid of all the loose dirt. You can see I've taken the bags off the side, clean them separately. Right, just leave that to dwell for a few minutes and then I'll put a contact wash on top. So I've got a bucket with my solution in and a clean water, so I'll put my little wash mitt in there, my brush, and I've got the clean water to rinse them out in before I put them in the bucket. Lots of lubrication, bugs coming off. Lots of lubrication with that, using that detergent or that shampoo as a foam. Like I said, the bike's not that dirty really. Its main part of it is all the bugs, and they're coming off nice and easy, having soaked with a shampoo for 5 minutes or so. Those areas that the little mitt can't get to, this little brush gets to it perfectly. got a ceramic coating on the wheels, so they're very easy to clean. Dirt just runs off of them. Right, let's rinse all that off. This is the spray on rinse off sealant. All you do is literally you make sure that they're nice and wet. This is really good. This gets everywhere. By the time you rinse it off, the sealant runs everywhere, so the whole bike is protected. You can see all the water beading. So it's as easy as that. This is really good stuff. Really pleased with it. It's left a very nice water behaviour on the bike, and it's got everywhere. I've done under the bike. It's just got everywhere. It's brilliant. Really pleased with it. Right, let's dry that off, shall we? That's just nearly all the water's blown off. There's very little left to dry. That sealant is very effective. I'm really pleased with it. Right, let me carry on. I'll carry on with the blower, then I'll go over it with a few cloths and get rid of the rest of it. And here we are, job done. Hardly one cloth wet, so I didn't even use the other one. With that sealant, the water just flew off with a blower. And now I'm quite comfortable that when I go out, I know my bike is fully protected against the weather, because that's got everywhere, that sealant. Easy to put on, easy to take off, and the bike's gleaming. I'll run it up now and warm the engine up. But yeah, absolutely delighted with it. Okay, let's start it up and get that engine nice and warm and dry. Any other bits and pieces that need to be dried off. So there we go, guys. Quick video on a maintenance wash and protect for the bike. Where are we? Don't know where I am. So Garage Therapy, we all know it's a great shampoo, but when you put it on a foamer, you really get a lot of lubrication for the contact wash as well, and all of the bugs just come off so easy. I have to say it was helped by the fact that the bike has got a ceramic coating on anyway, so all the dirt does come off easily. But really good shampoo. And this GB Detailing Rinse and Protect, very impressed with this. It's an unusual product in as much as it's a spray and rinse, but you can dilute it. Awesome. I mean, you really get a lot of money's worth out of that. Like I said, I don't know how much it is. I'm pretty sure it's less than £10. For 500 millilitres. That's going to go a long way. And the water, when I sprayed it off, the water just flew off. Hardly any drying needed at all. Once I've gone around with a blower, blew nearly all the water off. So, you know, if you're I'm going to try this out on cars, obviously, but if you're doing a bike, this is perfect because it gets the protection gets everywhere. It's absolutely perfect. Really pleased with it. So there we go. Very quick video on a maintenance wash for the Harley. Until next time, you guys take care. Bye bye.